Hey guys, it's Eric with Monarch Cleaning Solutions. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today's job, we are blowing out gutters. It had been raining, I think, the day before, so the gutters are still a little bit wet. So in certain areas, like right here, we had to scoop out the gutters by hand. And then we're going to blow out all the valleys. We're blowing off all the roof. At the end of the job, we go ahead and blow all of the leaves into the bushes and areas where it's not noticeable, because this particular client doesn't pay us to haul off the leaves. As well, we went ahead and rinsed down all of the walls and the gutter lines. It's not in the video, just ran out of time. So yeah, when you're out on a roof, make sure you have the proper safety equipment. And here I am using cougar paws. So these are specially made for walking roofs. But yeah, pretty simple job. If you need anything done, give us a call at 512-810-9840.